How embarrassing is it for global markets that one choke point can trigger immediate instability across the entire energy system? As of May 2026, tensions involving Iran and the Strait of Hormuz are reshaping energy flows and exposing the fragility of global market stability. Welcome to World Strategy Lab. In this strategic briefing, we analyze how conflict dynamics in one region are influencing the global economic system. The Strait of Hormuz remains one of the world's most critical energy corridors, with roughly 20% of global oil and gas supply passing through it. Recent disruptions linked to rising tensions have reduced tanker movement, tightening supply expectations, and driving price volatility. As of early May 2026, tensions remain elevated. Iran has signaled its ability to influence access through the strait, while the United States and its partners have responded with increased naval presence and economic pressure measures. This creates a dual pressure environment where both security postures and market reactions are shaping outcomes in real time. The impact is already visible across global markets. Oil prices have moved sharply in response to uncertainty, while shipping routes and insurance costs have adjusted to reflect higher perceived risk. Companies reliant on stable supply chains are now factoring geopolitical disruption into operational decisions. However, the implications extend beyond energy markets. Rising oil prices feed into inflation concerns, influence monetary policy, and affect global investment sentiment. This highlights how localized geopolitical tension can cascade into broader economic systems. Analysts point to a structural vulnerability. Global energy systems remain heavily dependent on a small number of strategic choke points. When one of these corridors becomes unstable, the effects are immediate and widespread. The structural reality is clear. Modern geopolitics operates through interconnected systems, where control of key transit routes can influence global stability far beyond the region itself. In the case of the Strait of Hormuz, the current situation reflects a broader pattern. Conflict is no longer defined solely by territory, but by the ability to disrupt critical flows such as energy, trade, and finance. As of May 2026, the key question is not only whether tensions will ease, but how resilient global systems are to sustain disruption at this scale. Stay informed. This is World Strategy Lab.